How to change the auxiliary belt on a Toyota Celica GT-4. First, loosen the auxiliary pulley 14mm bolt. Next, turn the 10mm adjuster bolt clockwise to let off the tension on the belt from the auxiliary pulley. Keep going until the belt is loose enough to remove. There is not a lot of room to work with, so it will take some maneuvering to get the belt off. After taking off the old belt, grab your new belt. I got this off GT4 Play. Model number 5PK11-5. This is optional, but I recommend replacing the auxiliary pulley's bearing if you've never done it. It's a simple assembly. The bearing is held on by a snap ring. I also got this replacement bearing from GT4 Play. Removing the snap ring is easier if you have help, but I was able to get it off myself using a flathead to pry the other end out. However, the snap ring went flying when I did this, so be careful and wear eye protection. To get the bearing out, I use this wooden block and rubber mallet to slowly hammer it out. If you have a press though, that would be the recommended way. Here's the old bearing versus the new bearing. Here's the new belt. It's going to be kind of tricky getting it on. The best way I found to get this on was to get the belt over the bottom pulleys first, then you pull it over the alternator pulley. It helps to have the auxiliary pulley off when doing this to give you more room to work with. Once you get the belt over the pulleys, put the auxiliary pulley back on. Check the tension by making sure you can twist the belt 90 degrees and no more. If it twists more than 90 degrees, it's too loose. If it can't twist 90 degrees, it's too tight. Now turn on your car and let the engine get up to temp. While doing this, make sure there's no squeaks or squeals. Drive the car for a few blocks and recheck the tension. Tighten as needed.